Welcome to the City Builder system demo. City Builder lets you construct a full city in just a few hours. This blueprint-based tool allows parameterized modeling of intersections, roads, and buildings. It greatly simplifies layout and adjustment. You can use it for in-game city levels, City Builder prototypes, digital twins, and more. Now let's walk through each blueprint's function. First, we use the fork blueprint to build an intersection system. Click on the settings to add multiple entries, forming T-junctions, Y-junctions, or even four-way crossings. These structures are suitable for highway ramps or city arterial branches. Next, we set the road width. By enabling Use Lane System, we define 3 lanes per direction, making a total of 12 meters. Adding sidewalks on both sides brings the total width to 13 meters. City roads usually include shoulders and sidewalks. We add a rail in the settings array, which creates a shoulder rail. We can set its offset and thickness to match the road. Here, we set the offset to 25 and adjust the thickness to 125, so the shoulder matches the bottom of the road mesh. Now let's create the sidewalk. We can duplicate and offset the element to generate sidewalks. Set the width of the sidewalk to 300. To distinguish it better, we can change its material. Some errors may appear at the front part. We can fix them by adjusting the handle's position and length. Next, we use the City Road blueprint to create city roads. Its editing method is similar to city building games. By dragging nodes, the system automatically generates connected road segments and corners. It uses civil engineering road logic, calculating geometry to generate mesh that ensures a valid structure. It supports ramps and 3D terrain adaptation. City Road allows multiple lane settings. The style variable is compatible with other road types and intersections. You can copy road styles for consistency. Now let's try widening the sidewalk to 6 meters. A red arrow and line appear here as spline rule warnings. Wider road surfaces require longer spacing between spline points. If the slope is too steep, red arrows also appear. It's best to resolve these by lengthening the segments, or mesh errors or crash may occur when snapping. Here we see the error disappears after adjusting the point. The generation function is shown here. The fork blueprint now includes a road generation button. You can generate roads directly from the intersection. Set which numbered junction to generate from. The generated road connects seamlessly to the junction. In the road settings, there's an Add Post feature. Clicking it adds post meshes across the road. You can set spacing and post shape under Custom Post. You may also replace them with other actors like street lamps. Set the post actor variable to a lamp, then disable Custom Shape Override. Now they appear as street lamps. Post actor control allows adjusting parameters in the lamp blueprint. Here I dim the light by toggling the first boolean in post actor control. This uses a prop interface event internally. Now demonstrating the tactile pavement system. Click to add a tactile array variable. Set tile size to 50 × 50. Set the sidewalk Z offset to 25 and tactile offset to 26. This aligns the tactile tiles neatly onto the sidewalk. Snap System Demo. Enable the snap boolean to attach this road to a nearby road or junction. The process auto-calculates position and adds spline points to match. Detection distance usually equals road width. Curve Road Blueprint generates spline-based curved roads. Adjust control points and tangents to create flowing curves. It uses dynamic meshes instead of traditional spline meshes. Supports adjustable lanes, ideal for overpasses, suburbs, or parks. Supports style copy and snapping like City Road. You can also customize cross-section to embed into terrain. Both Curve and City Road support generating junctions at ends. Bridge Pier Blueprint adapts its bottom height to terrain. It auto-snaps to splines from Curve or City Road and matches their width. Commonly used in elevated roads and slope structures. The terrain folder includes plane and slope blueprints. There are two generation methods. First, use the button on the road blueprint to generate terrain beside it. You must set direction, left or right, and point range first. Click Spawn Plane or Spawn Slope. To generate. Second method, use the editor tool to generate terrain around closed segments. Create a multi-part closed road layout. Ensure all parts snap perfectly. Run the editor tool, your PMB-City tool. Select a road and click Fill Left, Right to generate terrain area. Use the Slope checkbox to toggle slope or flat terrain. The generated plane surface allows buildings mark generation. Choose a layout enum to spawn different building patterns. Current options include matrix layout, enclosed, villa, and CBD. Terrain must be large enough for proper placement. These are lightweight meshes, good for distant city visuals. Only 3 textures are used by default, but more can be added. Road Split Tool. Use this tool to divide a road into 2. Activate the aiming guide by clicking Spawn Fork Enable in Editor tool. A red line will appear. When pointing to a road, a fork marker auto-snaps on it. Then click Spawn Fork to split the road and insert an intersection. Normally it aligns perfectly between two new roads. This feature saves time building road networks. If existing terrain no longer matches, click Regenerate to update. Traffic light blueprint lets you configure red, green light states via enum, used with future traffic simulation systems. Signboard system includes BP_sign group and BP_sign sub. BP_sign sub_ example is for small signs. Change the texture variable to switch content. Switching shape textures like circle, triangle is also supported. _sign group _ example is for group signs. It supports texture and text replacement. To edit text, change the array in sign sub. Or modify the variable in prop cover setting via interface. This supports future dynamic signage features. You can also design multiple template styles. Ideal for highways, directions, BP_Cuspanner is a lightweight traffic simulation tool. Place it in scene, set density, and click play. Cars will auto-spawn and drive along lanes. It doesn't support intersections or true AI yet. This is for background effect only in early stage. Useful to enhance scene realism. That concludes the full city builder feature showcase. From roads, terrain, buildings, traffic to visual style, we hope it helps accelerate your city prototyping process. Currently in Phase 1, core structure, road and plot systems are complete. Phase 2 will add the building system and various templates. Bridges, overpasses, parks, and smart props. Phase 3 will bring automated traffic, cars, trams, pedestrians. Phase 4 may include runtime construction, based on performance feasibility. Thanks for watching. See you next time.